Hey y'all, so today we've got more packages from our Barbie. I'm really excited about this big one. She's not that big, but sorry, I just gave you a clue. Okay, well there's a Barbie, there is a doll in here actually, but I'm gonna be really careful just to slightly open her up and keep her in this box later. In here. So first off, we've got these little pink sunglasses. They're like round. Look at those. And we've got her beach towel. Oh, look at that. And it's got like these little fringes. Very hippie chic, really cute. She's Malibu Barbie's here, y'all. And I'm checking out her hair. She's a little bald in the front. But hey, good thing. And she came with her original outfit. Really stoked about that. Ooh, look at this, how they sewed this together. Cool. I like that. But she's got these blemishes we're gonna try to erase or something. Maybe do some Clearasil. Pretty good condition. Her feet feel like super like rubbery. Like, look at that. Wah, 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 wah. But I just kind of got her because she was at the exhibit, and yeah, I kind of just love Malibu Barbie. The whole dream of living in Malibu, you know, living the Barbie dream. And her sunglasses. Let's see if these will stick on her. Let's see. They're a little too big for her. Let's see. Not sure why. Maybe they go on her head. Ah, yes. Much better. So if you can see here, they're super like bendable right here. This is Japan. And this is what Barbie sees. Cool. Her rose-colored sunglasses. It looks like there's these little holes here, maybe for a string. I think it's a dress. Let's see. Got my tiny trusty. Should I not do this, guys? Let's not, because one time I cut something and it totally cut the edge of it. So, but that was with scissors, not a knife, you know? I got. These are super cute. They're more for my ponytail Barbie because of her little poodle poof and their bangs. But for now, we'll just put them on this Malibu Barbie for now. Right then. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Look at her. Yes, Malibu Barbie. Malibu Barbie is honestly like really fun actually. I'm just realizing she just brought the fun, I think. She is so cool. So we also got this package. I love how they sent it in a pink package. And the other one was in a blue one. And ooh baby. Ooh baby. Oh my god. I have been waiting for one of these. I kind of liked it at first, and then I didn't like it, and I was like, I don't need one of those. And I just been dreaming about it forever. And ever since I went to the exhibit, I just had to have one. So, oh my god. It's the Barbie Apple Crit Sheet from 1959. So these were only made in 1959, and they stopped making them after that. And then like in 1990s, I forget what year it is, but they did make a reproduction, but the colors and the circles are so off. They're so 90s compared to this one. This one is just like an art piece. How the circles are just, I don't know, something about it. And the colors, honestly, they're showing up different on camera. It's very close. But this red is like a bit deeper in real life. And these greens are darker in real life. These blues are darker in real life. The red is showing up a bit more orange. So yeah, I just love how you can't really take a good photo of these colors, and I just like this one so much. It's in such good condition. One little zipper. So I don't want to play with it too much, but I'll show you guys the inside, how it was made. So look how they sewed this collar on. Kind of interesting. So fold it over and they sewed it in there. So cute. I don't know why it says Barbie R there. It should say trademark. But, so yeah, we'll do that. And, okay guys, in our last package, we got kind of big one, kind of flat one. So, hard. These are like super sticky. What's in there, guys? Oh, look what I got. Ooh. So this is PJ's. This is Barbie's cousin's outfit. I just love how 60s this is. And this one's actually really nostalgic for me. Growing up, I just remember my cousin having this dress. So cool. I'm really happy I got this one. So we're gonna dress Miss Malibu Barbie and bring Miss Brunette Barbie to wear that. Back here, I thought it was really interesting. It says made in Japan. See that? So cool. This won't come off with soap and water, so I'm gonna have to like do something. And her head, it's really easy to take off. And her hair is in really great condition. Like, this doll was put away, never played with or something. And I'm about probably to break her. Okay. Never doing that again. On her face, she's got a little bit of blush, it looks like. She's kind of Chucky's bride looking. What'd you call me? So the button's broken, but you can still sew that, and it still fits really nice. Super cute. So yeah, if I had to rate this Barbie, she's a little bit scary to me, honestly. Like, I'd give her like a 7. I hope she's not listening. But I don't know, her eyebrows, I'm not sure if they're like got wiped off or what. They're super thin eyebrows. So, and she's kind of balding. I'm not sure what's with that. I think it's just supposed to be like how she is. But her hair is really shiny, so that's cool. Very beachy, beach blonde. Okay, y'all, and so these are the outfits. The PJ outfit looks great on Miss Malibu Barbie, and the fashionista shoes actually fit on our number 4 brunette. So like this video if you want to see me unbox more vintage Barbie accessories and clothes. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, let's ask this guy. He might know. Hey, mister.
Yeah?
Do you know which way to the beach?
It's, that way. Honey, let me show you. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, honey. Let's go.
No!